Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the program on adult education. I have two speakers with me on the podium. We have got Dr. P.R. Goswami, who is Director NASDAQ in ICSSR, and his subject is documentation. He has also worked in Planning Commission and is a professor. Then we have got Professor Dhawan. Professor Dhawan has worked as scientist in National Physical Laboratory on knowledge, documentation and networking. We will be starting with a brief introduction on the course by Professor Goswami, and thereafter the detailed presentation on the course. I would now request Dr. P.R. Goswami to introduce the course.
The course has been designed in the way that it presents an overview of how to set up a library in an adult learning center, what are the minimum requirements, physical infrastructure required, what do you mean by networking, and documentation of the activities which take place in an adult learning center. Then we go to the other units like knowledge management, basics of information dissemination services. Then we shift to networking, computer networking and adult learning. Then there is a brief introduction to the Aladdin, which is an UNESCO project. It gives a case study of Aladdin. Then we have given a unit on standards for information management and networking. Then there are two units which deals on the concept of management, because you know this adult learning setup or a school or a college, it is an organization. There are certain principles which are helpful in managing an organization. So we have given a brief introductory remark on the how to manage an adult learning setup in terms of its organizational behavior, in terms of how to interact with the people when you are working in an adult learning setup, how to motivate people, the job satisfaction, leadership, etc. So this is just a very brief introduction to the management themes which are required to learn a small organization. That adult learning setup is engaged in various information related activities. These include sharing of information with other centers on adult learning, provide an access to updated data and research papers, organization and proper maintenance of a large number of print and non-print material in the form of monographs, pamphlets, poster, statistical tables and primers for adult learners. But normally it has been found in an adult learning center, if you go there, there is no proper system of managing these sources. They are kept here and there. So the purpose of this course to sensitize the people who are managing the adult learning center and to introduce them to the certain concepts, certain techniques, certain skills that are required to manage a small library and documentation center in an adult learning center. For example, if you are indexing certain papers, certain primers or certain leaflets or posters, then there are certain principles of indexing, how to deal with the synonyms, how to prepare an index, and what are the facilities available in the ICT, in the open standards, open source softwares to index the material. These are the certain things which have been introduced through this course to the people who are working in the adult learning center. The outcome of this course is that when you go through this course, then you will be able to manage your center in a better way with a proper system of information storage, retrieval and dissemination. It will also help the adult learning center to play two distinct roles, namely to serve as a local center of information and knowledge and to become local gateway to national and global knowledge. So this is the brief introduction to the course.
Friends, Mr. Goswami has given you in brief the idea of the courseware, what it contains about, underlining the importance of the course and its brief design. Now, Professor Dhawan would be giving a detailed presentation on the course.
It's a great pleasure being here to be with you and share with you my knowledge on the topic of information management and dissemination. When the course was being designed, we made certain presumptions about the scenario that prevailed in the adult education setup. For example, we were given to understand that the libraries in the adult education setup for which we are designing the course material, they are basically small libraries. By and large, they are small libraries. They are not big libraries or even medium-sized libraries. The adult education staff is not trained in library techniques. They don't have library skills. Additionally, what is the activities in relation to information they are performing? By and large, they are performing activities of education, training, and information dissemination. See, the course material was then accordingly designed, keeping in view this kind of the scenario. A brief introduction that this course material has been designed mainly for managing a small library. It is not a course, a general purpose course meant for every kind of library, even a medium or a large size library. 2, the course has been designed mainly and it's aimed at training the adult education staff in improving their capacity, in helping them to learn library techniques for managing their small libraries. Certainly, for the NGOs, it's going to be an additional responsibility. Then, when this course was being designed, certain other considerations were made. One, we should not be giving much focus or too much emphasis on classification and cataloging. We had recommended in the course material that only basic level of cataloging and classification, these are the techniques by which you normally organize the material that's available in the library. So basic level of cataloging and classification should be resorted to. Let me state again, the reasons were primarily because the library is a small library. And number 2, see, in adult education, the mere focus is not on organizing the material. The focus is on using the library and providing the services. So the in charge who is going to head the library should be spending his time, more time on providing services rather than going into very